speech also. I am privileged to be here. Intellectuals-ന്റെയും വിദഗ്ധന്മാരുടെയും പണ്ഡിതന്മാരുടെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഒരു പോലീസുകാരൻ. That's the only honor I have. I don't know how a policeman can fit into an august, erudite group of people with wisdom. Of course, they can claim to be a practitioner for the last 30 years in the Indian Police Service. Try to do something. Last month we happened to meet DPS in Mayur Face Leader, Muktapanda Agosha time. So I was privileged to meet a person who is a scientist, come this and whatnot. So as Madam Shobha Panikar, when she said you better come and do the job, I said it's my privilege. So I'm very happy to be here in the midst of such esteemed, erudite and intellectuals of this country. The book is something quite different. I had an opportunity of going through the book. I was quite fascinated. If you can get things out of Orkut, my impression of Orkut, it was different. Today I find Orkut as something totally different perception. Thanks to Dr. TPS, it's an amazing thing he has brought out and it's wonderful. The positive side of things. The book speaks about positivism. The book speaks about positivism. It's an offbeat book. It's an offbeat. See, normally we always think that Orkut's are only negative side. The positive side. There is a positive side to everything. I'm very happy Dr. Shashikumar has shown the positive side of things. It is really out of the box. Very thought-provoking. You can start from the middle, as you rightly said, start from the beginning, you can start from the end. There is no sequence to the book, therefore it's very out of the box. The casual style, which is user-friendly, anecdotes substantiate the theory portion. There is a theory emerging in every small message. But the anecdotes substantiate the theory. I was quite fascinated. And of course, a profound philosophy. Philosophy of life. Philosophy of life. How to make life simple. I was trying to understand why this man is walking. Till Shobhari said, I couldn't understand. I was wondering why half pant, chappal, cycle, not much luggage, not a steep climb, still he is walking. Is he giving relief to the cycle? No? He is. What about this? Now I could get something more. Practical philosophy of life for all of us, down to earth, realistic, touching every aspect of life. It's practical and genuine grassroots philosophy. Grassroots philosophy. Philosophy is something very, very high. But here he has brought the philosophy into a mundane level. Grassroots philosophy. So we can call Shashikumar as the grassroots philosopher for our country. I mean that. I really touched with the way it is written. Grassroots philosophy. Now we need grassroots people. Everything can't be at the top. At the top things actually don't work. Things work at the ground level. So this is the ground level. Well, there is a mention of creativity is an accident. That's only point I was trying to find. Is there anything I can disagree with the author? And there I found something, little bit. I was trying to edit. I want to argue with you yesterday on telephone. I said, okay, let's me not argue on telephone, but raise the point. Accident. Creativity is an accident. He has explained why it is an accident, how it is an accident, and how it goes on. Somehow, slight difference from the author. This is not occasion to say that, but I must appreciate the book as in its total.